Hello my dear friends, and today we speak about Moon and Neptune aspects and Natal Chart. As usual, we take conjunction, it's 0 till 5 degrees between these two planets. Then we take sextile and trine, sextile 60 degrees, trine 120 degrees between these two planets. And we take square and opposition, it's 90 degrees between these two planets and 180 degrees. Okay, let's begin. Moon, Neptune. You do remember from the previous videos what are these energies. Moon, it's our night light. It's one of the most important planet in astrology. It's planet of our core. Sun and Moon, it's our two light. This is the energies of the core of every person and responsible for emotional reaction on anything around. Yeah. And Neptune, it's creative energy if it is on high vibration, and its dependencies, yeah, on the low vibrations. So anyway, it's illusions, it's mist, it's mystics, it's occult sciences and everything. It's filling and parallel worlds, it's meditation, yoga, etc. So vibrations has huge spectrum here. From high, you are meditating, you are connecting to parallel worlds, and low when you are in dependencies, yeah, like drugs, alcohol or whatever. You can't see the real world around, yeah, because you are in your own world, in your illusions. So when Moon, so it's our psychic side, yeah, is connected to Neptune, who you are. You might be a medium, you might be a psychic, you are born already psychologist, you feel yourself, your own energy and all the energies around you perfectly well, and you know how to help people because you see all their energies around, you just see all the pains around, you can hear, see, feel all the energies that others can't see, the highest level of empathy, basically, yeah. The only but is you might be dependent on the energies around. For example, if all the others in good mood, you are in good mood. If all the others pessimistic and all the things go wrong, etc., you take these energies inside of you. You have to be vigilant here, filter them, what you are allowing to get inside, what not. Yeah. Also, you are a very creative person. You can be creative in music, any art, any creativity actually, whatever you are doing, making home comfortable, making fantastic designs, you are inventing perfumes, you are inventing cosmetological things, inventing in pharmaceutical industry or whatsoever. You might be creating in medicine and health side, or you're inventing in literature or in art. You are writing music, poems, you are writing pictures, whatever. You are a creative person because your sensitivity is not like other sensitivity, okay? The only but is you love to be in your illusions. You just draw absolutely perfect picture inside of you, and reality might be not so close to this ideal image in your head, especially if you are talking about men who can't find a partner in their life because the ideal girl that they draw themselves in in their minds is far away from the real girls. Okay, they are human beings, yes, all human beings have their talents, strong sides and weak sides or whatsoever, but this man is romantic and idealistic, yeah, and this ideal picture of a woman he would love to have nearby is far away from the girls that are real and around him. This is the problem, yeah. Also, your intuition is fabulous. You might get even information while you are sleeping. So basically, you are going to sleep, you are asking parallel worlds, yeah, to give you this or that information, and you are having dreams and answers for your question while you are sleeping. This is absolutely fantastic. You are born actually psychologist, because you just feel the energies around, yeah, and you know how to help people around if they have this or that trouble. Your empathy is absolutely fabulous. Your intuition is absolutely fabulous. If we are talking about moon in sextile and in trine, it's positive, it's supportive angles. So basically they are supporting each other, they are strengthening each other. The energies of this planet, they are strengthening each other, and this is absolutely fantastic. It's with such aspects, people are so talented. They are poets, they are musicians, they are songwriters, they are artists. Whatever they are doing, they are very talented, and they are very good at this, because these energies are not clashing, they are working together, and this is fantastic. Their intuition is wonderful. They are fantastic psychologists, parapsychologists, whatever they do. They can make hypnosis, be master of hypnosis, yoga masters, any occult sciences, any esoteric sciences. It's everything for them. They might be really genius in pharmaceutical industry, in beauty industry, in cosmetology, in medicine, because Neptune about medicine and working with liquids, creating liquid stuff for beautifying skin or whatever. So this is fantastic aspect to have, yeah, because you had all the support from your talented mom, because mom is represented by the moon in the horoscope, yeah. Basically your mom was talented, or she worked in medicine, or she worked like yoga master, or in psychology. Anyway, your emotional support was absolutely wonderful there, because she felt what her child, you, needed, and knew how to support him the most effective way. So she felt all the pains, all the insecurities, or whatever you had while you were a child, and she knew how to support. So emotional and psychological contact between you and your mom was fantastic. And men with such aspect, they are looking for a woman with the same qualities as his fantastic mom was for him, and it's not easy to find the same level of empathy in the girls around. If you found such girl who is feeling you just by intuition, telepathically, it's fantastic. It's really, really huge luck, basically. Well, anyway, emotional connection between partners in marriage for this man, and for women as well, for people with the aspects sextile or trine, moon, Neptune. This emotional connection with partners will be the most important in relationship. Well, and now we are going into moon and Neptune in square or in opposition. So it's 90 degrees between them or 180 degrees between them. You are super sensitive, you are hyper sensitive, you are like sponge sucking in all the negativity around you, and you are stuck in this negativity energies, and most often you feel pessimistic, and you need some surrogate, some drugs, alcohol, any dopings to make you feel better. So this is the aspect of dependencies, unfortunately. So most of the people, unfortunately, are just at the age or down there with dependencies. It might be emotional dependencies, psychological dependency on computer games or whatever. It might be dependencies on food, on drink, alcohol, any kind of drugs, any kind of pills, any dependencies at all. This is the most dangerous thing. Moon Neptune in opposition or Moon Neptune in square. Please be vigilant, because Neptune will push you all the time to get into this illusions, into this parallel world far away from reality. And basically you do feel yourself happy far away from this pessimistic reality, only in these illusions, in this, you know, imaginary world which drugs give you. And this is the most dangerous thing. Please, people, hear me. If you have child with such aspect, or you know people around you with such aspect, please be sure you keep away drugs, pills, or whatever, far away from them. Push this fantastic energy, because it is still fantastic energy, Moon Neptune, but in creative things, because they are talented people. They can create fantastic pictures, fantastic everything, music, perfumes, whatever. They are inventors, they are creators, they can write such music. Nobody can write such music. They are talented people, but they're so fragile, and they want to, you know, just jump into these illusions by taking the drugs, etc. So it is very dangerous there. Also, these people are like magnet, attracting any kind of you know, not very honest people, so to say. So financial fraud is like a normal situation for them. So they believe in everything other people might talk about, or they can be dragged into very sleazy financial schemes or whatsoever. So they always don't evaluate reality in sober mood, so to say. They see things like through illusions, through their pink glasses. They are not taking reality as it is, okay? And it's very easy to lie to them, yeah? And they believe in everything. Or they might be just dragged into funny financial things, because Neptune is all about, you know, just get easy money, not working properly. It's all illusions, dreams, etc., not calculating reality and all the risks properly. So please be aware. Take these people with such aspects far away from financial schemes, sleazy financial schemes, risky financial schemes, and drugs, okay? Push them in creativity, okay? Let them write songs or whatever they want to do. Write music or whatever, but don't allow them to do finances and be near drugs and alcohol. Well, what else? Yes, these people have fantastic intuition, but their memory games might be not so good here, because if in sextile and trine we have fantastic memory, in square and opposition, memory might play different tricks with them till actually very early brain dementia. So please be aware that people with such aspect usually get dementia quite early, or they have Alzheimer or whatever brain disability diseases they might get. Also, these people might fall in love absolutely till crazy state of their mind, so they don't see reality, okay? They might fall in love with the people who are so to say, they ungettable, so to say. They can't get these people in reality. For example, he might be or she might be a public person, an actor, a singer, or whatever, and this person with such aspect, moon square or opposition Neptune, he or she is just falling in love so deeply. He stopped eating, he stopped drinking, he can't even stop kissing the picture of this actor or actress. So absolutely crazy things, honestly. sometimes it's even funny for us normal people. Things like he might fall in love with the person who was born actually in different century. So in reality, it's not possible to get the person near you, just physically, not possible. And he might be so in love, and you know, with all the consequences of this. So yes, feeling love, be in love. To have this feeling is more important actually than real physical love for him. It's all about, again, going into illusions, into parallel worlds or whatever. Please be aware, these people might be vulnerable like this, yeah? They don't see reality. But sometimes they can be quite manipulative. They present themselves as victim. I'm so fragile, I'm so sensitive, and all the others supposed to help them, supposed to feel pity towards them, etc., etc. So these people might be quite tricky to handle, so to say. They are creative, they are talented, but they are vulnerable because they can't say no to drugs, first of all. Secondly, they can create lies, or they attract like magnet lies and fraudery. So this is all about Neptune Moon aspect, and you have to be really vigilant, especially about square and opposition, yeah, because they are super sensitive, hypersensitive, yeah, and they have to filter the energies around, yeah. Don't allow negativity go inside. This is very important thing. Well, what else? I think I told about everything. Yeah, the most important thing is to keep in control their thirst, their hunger for going to illusions into imaginative world. So drugs must be under very strict control here. Push this super sensitivity into creativity, or into psychology, or into learning hypnosis, or into learning medicine, yoga, whatever, occult sciences, esoteric sciences, but don't do alcohol. Psychology, occult sciences, creativity. This is the solution for you, my dears. Thank you for watching me. Please share this video with others, because it is important information, because we can save life of people here, because it is so serious here, because these people might get very bad energies and allow them inside, and allow them destroy the person. So please let's help others who we can help, because if you do good to others, this comes to you back. It's normal energy exchange in the universe. It's a law like this, working like this. Thank you for watching me. Have a wonderful day, and tomorrow very interesting topic. It's Moon Pluto. This is atomic energy, nuclear energy, really nuclear. Okay, my dears, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.